Are you feeling overwhelmed by the challenges of starting a business? Are you struggling to find your first customers? You are not alone. Many entrepreneurs face similar hurdles. But what if there was a proven way to accelerate your growth and secure your first 10 clients in the next 30 to 60 days? Introducing our Goal to 10 Customers Sales Readiness Program. It is designed to guide you through the critical phases of your business journey.
Phase 1. Discover your ideal customer. Identify your target market will help you pinpoint your ideal customer, understanding their needs, pain points, and aspirations. Validate your idea through in-depth interviews. We'll validate your product or service idea and ensure it resonates with your target market. Phase 2. Test and validate your solution. Experiment and learn. We'll conduct controlled experiments to test your product or service concept and gather valuable feedback. Refine your offering based on customer insights. We'll refine your solution to ensure it meets market needs. Phase 3. Build and refine your product or service. Develop your product. We'll help you develop a high-quality product or service that delivers exceptional value. Phase 4. Launch and scale your business. Create a winning marketing strategy. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan to attract and convert customers. Build a strong sales pipeline. Learn how to identify, qualify, and close deals effectively. Scale your operations, implement systems and processes to support your growth. Our paid-forward model makes our program accessible to entrepreneurs at all stages. You only start paying from the time we sign up your first customer.
Here are the key benefits of the Goal to 10 Customer Sales Readiness Program. Number 1. You get expert guidance. Here you receive personalized coaching and mentorship from experienced entrepreneurs. Number 2. We use a proven framework that's widely used and follow a structured approach to your business growth. Number 3. We provide you with a risk-free investment. You only start paying after getting your first client. And lastly, we follow a done-with-you approach, where you get guidance through weekly consultations and ongoing, always available assistance every step of the way. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Schedule a consultation today and let's get started.